Hello everyone, I, Dr. Vishwas Acharya, welcome all the postgraduate aspirant to this session. The session is on how to do the basic registration for AIMS January 2021 MD, MS, MCH, DM and MDS courses. Now, the basic registration is same for everyone. The link is provided in the comment box which is used for the basic registration. The link is https://mdmsmch.aimsexam.org/registration. Now, before going towards proceeding for the registration, the candidate must have the valid email ID and a phone number which will be used for the subsequent communication, the personal details, the valid photo ID as mentioned in the prospectus. This ID is to be when required, the candidate has to reproduce during the process. The scanned digital images of recent colored passport photograph. The details are given in the brochure. Image of the signature, image of the thumbprint. Then the candidate can proceed for the further step. Now, as already mentioned, the basic registration for all the postgraduate courses is the same. The final registration is different as there will be generation of separate code for each entrance examination and payment gateways will be different. Now, once this requirement is fulfilled by the candidate can proceed for the registration proper. Now, the first step is to put the full name as it is given in university degree. It is generally the surname followed by the first name and the father's name. Then the candidate is supposed to re-enter the full name, then the father's or guardian's name, the mother's name, the date of birth, then confirmation of the date of birth, the gender, the marital status and the category. Once this is done, the candidate is supposed to declare whether he comes under the category of PWBD, yes or no. Candidate is supposed to check for the nationality. Then the proof, that is whatever the proof is providing, the ID proof, the ID number, the place of issue, then date of issue and valid till, that is optional if it is mentioned on the ID proof. And then the identification marks, the birth identification mark. Once this basic information is done, the contact detail, that is the email ID, then confirmation of email ID, the mobile number, confirmation of the mobile number. Then comes the address, the country, pin code, the state, district, city. If the permanent address and the corresponding address is same, we can select a particular window and which will be copied. Once the declaration is signed, the candidate is supposed to go for registration. Once this is done, there is a auto-generated message will be received at the email along with the login ID and the login password. Now, once the login ID and login password is generated, the candidate can go to the next level of uploading images. Now, the specification are as the photo which is to be uploaded should be very clear, should be on the white background and should be scanned with the resolution of 50 to 100 KB. The thumb impression should be uniform, should be clear and it should have the clarity of 20 to 100 KB. The signature should be clear and should have the clarity of 20 to 100 KB. It is very easy if the images are in JPG format. The other formats are already mentioned in the brochure. If you like the video, please like and subscribe and share our channel. Thank you very much. Best of luck for the exam. Thank you.